Hi guys, Marilyn from 414 Property Co. And today I'm here in beautiful Rosetta at number 580 Main Road. Not only am I excited to show you through this stunning renovated family home, but to also showcase the absolutely fantastic development potential that this property presents. Let's take a look. The home itself is pretty as a picture, framed by beautifully manicured cottage gardens. Inside, there are 4 bedrooms, a central living area, separate dining room, a stunning kitchen with modern appliances, and a stylish family bathroom complete with luxurious spa bath. Set on over 900 square metres of flat land, there is ample room to explore the potential building of further dwellings at the property, subject to council approval. You could rent out the home to ensure a steady income stream while building, or simply enjoy family life on a huge block. Close to Mona, shops and a choice of schools, convenience is truly at your doorstep.